Today is my first test and tune in this car, and it is tricky. I was doing decent last time I was out there, but there's nobody here, so I can get like a million laps in today, which will be fun. The 18s I'm running are at 70 psi, so I mean, in theory, that's not the problem. I think it's just going fast, chucking it. Tell you what though, I'm definitely gonna take this headliner out. My head is rubbing. Oh, I know what it is. It's brake and traction control. Had one good one in there. Almost dead. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna swap back to the 15s or the 17s, sorry, and see, because that is not working for me. Go, boys! Woo! 17s are the way to go, boys. I just wish I had more 17s. Oh man. Oh man. Yes. So much better. Holy hell, yes. Night and day difference. Like, I can actually spin 17s with confidence and get it. That was fun. And that other guy was out there driving around. That was a quality time, boys. And I was recording, so that was sweet. Yeah, so I just swapped from these 18-inch Westlakes that were a 235 4018 back to these, I think these are actually like 245s, but they're pretty dead, and they're 17s. So they're running 50 psi and a 17, and it looks like I now have to trade some tires for some smaller ones, because 17s are lit. my best work, but come on now. Literally foot to the floor that entire time, pretty much. That's it's different, but I think, I don't know, 17s, and we'll run a lot of PSI in them and see what happens with that. I think we're gonna let Parker drive in a minute here. Ugh, I need gas badly, so I don't know. Oh, that closes automatically apparently. Okay. I don't know, dude.
I didn't watch the last one. What happened?
Oh, the last one was probably my best one yet, but
of course.
yeah. It's just like I'm literally foot to the floor the entire track in third, like
Really?
trying my hardest to get it to go. So I don't know.
Hey.
Yeah, but I mean, it's not getting too hot, and it's like it's running good. It kind of tries to like cut power when you get close to rev limiter, which is kind of weird, but otherwise I don't really know. But it's God, this car is so quiet.
There we go.
See what I'm saying? That 5500.
You gotta drift this fast. That's crazy.
Gas light is on. Still gonna send it.
Just send it. Don't need gas to drift. Yeah, you do.
Skids.
Yeah, fuck, you were going like 60.
I did not lift my foot off of third gear that entire time.
Really?
Yeah. Like I was flat to the floor for that entire time. Oh man. It's all good, boys. I'm just gonna swap these tires on. Really good. We're almost out of gas. Whew. Good stuff. At least I drove good when I was on your stuff.
You did, yeah.